Hey there friends, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use graphic templates in Adobe Premiere Pro. So by default, graphic templates are hidden behind a few menus, which is why sometimes people tend to overlook them. But they're really useful and can save you a whole lot of time if you get to familiarize yourself with them. So to get started, click on the window option here at the top of your toolbar and look for the option called graphics templates. Another name this goes by is essential graphics. Like how you have your essential sound panel, you also have your essential graphics panel. So let's give it a second or two to load because it does load a lot of files. Here we go. So as you can see, it's loaded into our panel here at the upper right hand side of our screen. And you can see there are plenty of templates to choose from. So these range from transitions to flash to title cards and some overlays. This also extends to subtitles, other types of title cards, the more formal kind. And if I'm not mistaken, a lot of these have their motion graphics already baked into them. For example, let's add a gaming transition here. Might take a minute to load. And let's place another clip into our timeline. So let's give that a look. It's in a different size. 125, 130, 150. So I'm just matching this with my timeline because this is shot in a higher resolution, which is why the other footage, which is in 1080p, appears smaller. But let's go back, let's rewind, and all I did was I dragged the transition over into my timeline and I placed it above a cut between two of my video clips. So let's go ahead and press play, and let's watch the program monitor. And as you can see, the transition works really smoothly. So that's how you can get started and adding more flair to your videos using the essential graphics or the graphics templates in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now there are also plenty of other things that you can add, such as this one, which also have their own effects and types of text. So you can see here. So they're all animated and they're all ready to use. If you're working on a short or long project, it can save you a lot of time. So that's it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.